You ready?
Yeah, what am I doing?
Ready to go.
Yeah, we're ready to go.
Let's go.
Hey,
Trailer
I'm
loaded
cat
up?
in the garage.
You got enough supplies for 4 months.
I wonder how long if you just sit there going back and forth, would you survive?
We just got here.
That's a pellet gun in there.
Where's the shell?
And we have encountered a
Put that brown one out.
fox.
This?
Oh, look at this.
This case?
Dude, this is
Our
nice.
case?
Nose right underneath.
Tree right there.
That's right, Fred.
No luck on the squirrel. What are the odds?
Right. Yeah.
Sure.
You the cameraman?
Yeah, man. We'll make you famous.
Hey, today. Got it. If I do. Yeah. I think it's good how it is done. It's nice.
Good size rub right there. I mean, it's great. It's pretty fresh looking. This is awesome, guys. We had a bird fly into our buzz. It scared both of us. He hung out in here for a while. It's almost dark. It's about 5:20. All right, we're walking back to the house.
Somebody just shot a gun.
Yeah, somebody just shot. It's cold. The temperature has dropped off big time. I bet it's at least 20 degrees colder than it was when we got out here. There's the house. Hoping it's warm.
Garlic.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready, Pioneer One?
I'm ready. It's lovely carrots on these potatoes. I'm gonna have to make another one.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, I may have to. I'm gonna eat this one first.
Yes, sir. What you eating?
Bacon. Bacon sandwich.
A bacon sandwich?
Mm-hmm.
All right, here we go.
Right away. No, not hot.
That's what it does.
And just
About
sit there and cook.
35 minutes, 40 minutes, maybe.
He decided to go down to Mexico. Where Poncheville was.
Here come a Black Steed over the hill. And this man on Black Steed was Poncheville. He put out a pistola and he stuck the pistol in my face and he said,
I think this one's been on the longest.
Wait on about 30 minutes.
Yeah.
All right.
You got one that says CT on it? CT on it?
That's so good.
I don't see one here.
Well done, man. Well done.
ha ha.
X.